Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you this car right here, Chevy Impala, how to change your purge valve on this car right here. So if your car look like this, so you get the engine light on and it give you this right here, this code P0496. So it's P0496 as the evaporative system. So it's the evap system, all right? So that's the code for to let you know your purge valve is bad. But we're gonna show you how to change your purge valve today, all right? So you wanna come under here, open your hood. Come under here and open your hood. You want to go like this, to move this like this, so this can go like this, so this can go like this. All right, so we're going to remove the engine cover, and what we need to do that is remove the oil cover. So once you remove the oil cover like that, put that down right there. This right here, we need to get a torque, and we're gonna remove it. I'm gonna let you know what torque. All right, so let's find what torque it used. And it seems that a T30 will work that fine. So we'll go ahead. Link will be in the description for the tools I use, so you don't have to worry about that. So T30, remove this screw right here. So we're trying to locate the purge valve solenoid. We still haven't located it yet. Once you remove that, you can go ahead and lift it up. I guess we can leave this right here for now. Alright guys, if you look over here, right there, you just want to squeeze this down right here and then unplug it. So that's what we need to do. So I'm gonna show you. So I have my finger right here squeezing that, and then I'll pull it back. The space there is limited, so I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver to help me out right there. All right, so let's just squeeze this down, flathead screwdriver, and pry it backwards. Camera turn over, but it's coming off, guys. All right, so there you go. Take that off. So the next thing is we're gonna get a 10mm to take this out right here. There's a screw 10mm bolt down there, and also we need to unplug it, but I guess we can unplug it when we bring it up here. All right guys, so link will be in the description for the tool. I think I should remove this part right here, the tube for the intake, even though you might can't get it from there, but to get more space and work more easier where you don't cut your hand up, just go ahead and remove it. Same flathead screwdriver. Link will be in the description for all the tools we use. Alright, so now we have a lot of room to work down here, and now we can use another setup. Alright, so the throttle body is closed, so I guess you can stuff a rag or something there, but it's already closed. Make sure nothing drop inside. So this is the other setup I have, and it looks like we're going to need an extension, so we're going to go ahead and get an extension. So here we go, that's the setup. We have an extension, a long 10mm, and we're going to go ahead and remove this 10mm right here. And also squeeze this right here and unplug it. So squeeze this right here, so squeeze this right here and pull on it, and it will unplug. And you can just pull it out just like that. And this is what the purge valve solenoid look like. Alright guys, so it's AC Delco. That is the part number right here, so you can get that. I'm just gonna take it out the pack. So we're gonna go ahead and push this in. So once that go in, you just want to continue put it in, and then you can just go ahead and tighten it up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so that's tightened. You don't need to tighten it too much. You don't need to over tighten it. You can go ahead and reconnect that, and also go ahead and push that on. And so the next step is to put this back on. So let's tighten it up. So once that is done, you want to double check your work. Make sure everything is all nice and tight and on. And then we're going to just go ahead and install the cover for the engine. Remove this. Also put this on. All right guys, so to check this, you can just blow right here, and if you feel the air come through here, it's bad. So you can blow each side. You can blow through here. If you feel here through here, it's bad. So no, here not supposed to come through when it's not connected. Or you can even unplug it while the car is running and feel it. So that's done. We changed that. We're gonna go ahead and clear the code and crank the car up. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's grow. So you can even go to AutoZone or one of them places that will erase the code for you if you want to choose that way. So you can go there, read it. If you get that code, you just go to AutoZone or one of them places and let them just scan it, change the parts, then you go back and erase the code. Once the code is erased, that's it guys. That's it for this one. Peace out. See you next time.